Welcome to the series First Steps in English. My name is Oliver. I am your narrator, and I am really happy you are here. This series is for people who are just starting to learn English. We are going to go slowly. We are going to use simple words, and we are going to practice together, step by step. In each episode, I will tell you a story, but this story is special because the main character is you. I will talk directly to you. I will describe your day, your life, your world in English. Today, we are going to talk about your daily routine. A routine is the things you do every day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. These are simple actions, but they are very important in English. And by the end of this episode, you will know how to describe your day in English clearly and confidently. Are you ready? Let's begin. Activity 2. The story. Every day starts the same way. Your alarm goes off. It is early in the morning, maybe 6 o'clock, maybe 7. The room is quiet and warm. You open your eyes slowly. For a moment, you just lie there. You don't move. You listen. Outside, you can hear the sounds of the morning. Maybe birds, maybe traffic, maybe the sound of your neighbors starting their day. Then you sit up. You turn off the alarm. You look at your phone, just for a moment. You check the time, you check the weather. Maybe you read 1 or 2 messages. Then you get up. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face with cold water. The water wakes you up. You brush your teeth. You look in the mirror. Good morning. After the bathroom, you get dressed. You open your closet. You choose your clothes for the day. Maybe it's a work day, so you choose something smart. Maybe it's the weekend, so you choose something comfortable. You put on your clothes. You are ready. Now, breakfast. You go to the kitchen. You are hungry. Breakfast is the first meal of the day, and it is important. What do you usually eat in the morning? Maybe you make coffee. You put water in the kettle, you wait for it to boil, and then you pour it over your coffee. The smell fills the kitchen. It is a good smell, a familiar smell. The smell of the morning starting properly. Maybe you eat toast. You put 2 slices of bread in the toaster, and a few minutes later, pop. They jump up, golden and warm. You spread butter on top. Simple and good. Or maybe you eat fruit. An apple, a banana, some orange juice. Fresh and light. You sit down at the table. You eat slowly. You are not in a hurry yet. This is your quiet time, just you, your breakfast, and the morning. After breakfast, you wash your dishes. Or maybe you leave them for later. We all do that sometimes. You pick up your bag, you check that you have everything. Your keys, your phone, your wallet. Yes, yes, and yes. You open the front door. Outside, the day is waiting for you. Maybe you walk to work. You leave your building and step onto the street. The air is fresh. People are walking in the same direction. Everyone going somewhere. Everyone starting their day. You walk at a comfortable pace. You look around. You notice things. A new shop on the corner. A dog waiting outside a cafe. A child on a bicycle. Walking is a good time to practice English. You can look at signs and read them. You can listen to English podcasts or music. You can repeat words in your head. The street is your classroom. Or maybe you take the bus. You walk to the bus stop and wait. There are other people waiting too. Nobody talks. People look at their phones or stare at the street. The bus arrives. You get on. You find a seat or stand and hold the rail. The bus moves through the city, stopping and starting. And outside the window, the city goes by. Or maybe you drive. You get in your car, put on your seatbelts, and start the engine. You turn on the radio, you join the traffic. Some days the traffic is light and easy. Other days, it is slow and frustrating. You tap the steering wheel, you wait, you move forward. Slowly, slowly, you get there. And then, you arrive. At work, at school, at your destination. You say good morning to the people around you. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. You? These small exchanges happen every day, in every language, in every country. They are simple, but they matter. They are how we connect with the people around us. You sit down at your desk, or you start your tasks, or you open your books. The day has officially begun. The morning is behind you. The rest of the day is ahead. And you did it all in English. Activity 3. Shadowing practice. Now, let's practice together. I will say a sentence. It will be slow and clear. After each sentence, you repeat it out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Just say the words. Ready? My alarm goes off at 7 o'clock. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I make coffee and eat breakfast. I pick up my bag and check my keys. I walk to the bus stop. The bus arrives and I get on. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? The day has officially begun. The day is ahead. I am ready for the day. Activity 4. Quick vocabulary recap. Let's finish with 3 important words from today. The first word is routine. A routine is something you do regularly, every day or almost every day. Your morning routine is the things you do every morning. Your evening routine is the things you do every night. Routines give structure to our days, and knowing how to talk about your routine in English is one of the first and most useful things you can learn. The second word is comfortable. Comfortable means something feels good, not too tight, not too loose, not too hard, not too soft. You can use it to describe clothes, chairs, shoes, or even situations. These shoes are very comfortable. I feel comfortable speaking English now. It is a very useful word. And the third word is destination. Your destination is the place you are going to. When you leave your house in the morning, your destination might be your office, your school, or a coffee shop. It's a slightly more formal word, but you will hear it often, especially when traveling. That is episode 1 of First Steps in English. Well done for listening all the way to the end. My name is Oliver, and I will see you in episode 2, where we are going to talk about family, your family in English. See you next time.